This is HONOR Magic6 Pro, and in today's video I will share a few advices on how to fix the overheating issues on this device. So in the beginning I would recommend that you go into settings, then enter the display and brightness category, and first measure to help your phone cool itself down. Basically is to enable dark mode. Then you can also enable the automatic screen brightness here, then go into screen resolution and set it to be at smart resolution, or you can just manually set it to standard or low value to, reduce the load that your phone gotta perform under, and this way you are helping your system in cooling itself down practically. You can also go into the screen refresh rate, set it to standard or dynamic also. On top of that, you can also enter the battery category of settings and either disable the performance mode or disable the performance mode and enable the power saving mode. And well, as far as my advices go, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.